Nothing might be planning to shake things up by expanding its smartphone lineup beyond the usual mid-range and flagship offerings. Until now, the brand has made a name for itself with uniquely designed phones like the Phone 1, Phone 2, and more recently the 3A series, all offering a balanced mix of style and performance. But it looks like the company could be gearing up for a shift, possibly introducing new budget-friendly devices under the T or Lite branding, something like OnePlus and Xiaomi. This new leaks comes from reliable leaker Yogesh Brar, who claims that Nothing is currently exploring the idea of launching a more affordable models. While he hasn't shared detailed specs or a release window, his credibility can't be ignored. He had earlier predicted that Nothing would launch 3 smartphones in the first half of 2025, and that turned out to be spot on. In his latest comment, Brar mentioned that Pro models are just not cutting it, which suggests Nothing is reevaluating its strategy to maintain user interest and stay competitive. This could be a smart move, especially when you look at the success of the recent Phone 3A and 3A Pro models. These phones, priced at $379 and $459, offered great value with triple camera setups, smooth software, and signature transparent aesthetics. They showed that Nothing can deliver well-rounded phones without charging premium prices. However, one major drawback for many users, especially in the US, was the lack of proper carrier support. That's something Nothing will need to fix if it wants to truly compete in the global budget segment. By the way, have you faced any problem with Nothing phones? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Furthermore, if Nothing does go ahead with the T or Lite series, it would be following a tried and tested path. Brands like Xiaomi and OnePlus have used similar strategies for years, offering trimmed-down versions of their main phones to reach a broader customer base. And it worked. Xiaomi, for example, was the fastest-growing smartphone brand last year, thanks in part to its ability to target various price segments with precision.
Adding a T or Lite model could give Nothing the flexibility to offer updated internals, different screen sizes, or simplified builds without affecting its flagship lineup. It would also give users more choices, especially those who like the brand's design and philosophy but can't justify the cost of its higher-end devices. From a strategic standpoint, introducing a T or Lite series could be exactly what Nothing needs right now. The market is crowded and users are more price conscious than ever. If Nothing can deliver the same attention to design, clean software, and decent hardware in a more affordable package, it could seriously disrupt the budget phone market. Overall, launching a T or Lite series would not only help Nothing reach more users, it would also help build a more diverse product portfolio, reduce reliance on just 1 or 2 mainline phones each year, and improve its long-term position in a very competitive industry. With the groundwork already laid by 3A series, the timing couldn't be better for Nothing to take this next step. What are your thoughts about these latest developments? Do you think T or Lite series edition would be better? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more early tech updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.